This is my new dice box design. It can contain around 40 dices, which is a lot, and here's how you can assemble it. The print failed a little bit, so let me clean it up real quick. And just like that. To remove the elephant feet, use a knife or other tools like that. And when you're done, click the two parts together. For the smaller gears, make sure they're placed the same, like have the same rotation. Glue the gear cover on top of the gear holder. Then glue the small triangles to the gears. For the best result, you need to set the gearbox under pressure, so what you can do is to find something heavy and place it on top of it. When the glue is dry, you now have a really cool looking gearbox. Dice box, gearbox, something like that. I really hope you enjoyed and see ya!